Hey, Yash here. Recently I have realized like so many people are unaware about the financial world and stock markets, and there are so many myths of stock market, like you can lose money, it's gambling, or you need to have finance background if you want to invest. So if you see the data in India, there is 130 crore of population, of which only 4% of people are investing into stock markets. And if you compare this data with US, almost 50% of US population is investing into stock markets. So after looking at this huge financial illiteracy and talking to few of my friends who thought it would be a great idea if I compile my 5 years of research and experience into few simple videos for you guys. It doesn't matter if you have no knowledge about the stock markets, I will be teaching you from scratch. Also stick around on this journey so that soon you will be able to invest money into stock markets and hope you make a good money out of it. So let me tell you how powerful is stock market. If you know Wipro, if you would have bought 10,000 rupees worth of share 40 years ago, it would be 700 crores today. Can you imagine 700 crores? Now you will say 10,000 is lot of amount. Even if you would have bought of 1000 rupees, it would be 70 crore. Even for 100 rupees, it would be 7 crore worth today. So this is the power of stock market. ये तो हो गई बहुत बड़ी बात. अब करते छोटी बात. समझिए, आप जितने का बर्गर हर महीने बर्गर किंग से खाते हैं, उतने पैसों के अगर आपने बर्गर किंग के शेयर लिए होते तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ आपके कई महीनों के बर्गर फ्री हो जाते. देयर आर मेनी मोर सक्सेस स्टोरीज, बट नाउ लेट्स कम टू द पॉइंट एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्टॉक मार्केट. So stock market is basically a place where you buy and sell a share. What is a share? Share is a piece of ownership in a company. तो चलिए एक सिंपल एग्जांपल में समझते. समझिए आपके दोस्त को एक कैफ़े खोलना है, उसे 10,000 की ज़रूरत है और उसके पास अभी 5,000 है, और आपने सोचा क्यों ना उसे 5,000 दिए जाए. बदले में उसने कहा कि तू मेरे कैफ़े में 50% ओनरशिप ले. तो बेसिकली आप उसके कैफ़े में 50% शेयर होल्डर बन गए. कैफ़े रेवेन्यू बनाएगा और उससे जो भी प्रॉफिट होगा उसका 50% शेयर होल्डर को मिलेगा जिसने शेयर लिए हैं. जैसे कि आपने ये एग्जांपल में देखा और समझा, ये सेम चीज़ होती है रियल मार्केट्स में. जब आप किसी बड़े कंपनी के शेयर लेते हो तो आप भी उसके एक स्मॉल से ओनर बन जाते हो. तो जब भी वो प्रॉफिट या लॉस होता है वो कंपनी को, तो आपको भी उस परसेंटेज के हिसाब से प्रॉफिट या लॉस होता है. तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इज बेसिकली अ मिडल मैन for buyers and sellers in the stock markets. You must have heard the terms NSE and BSE. These are the two stock exchange which are currently running in India. NSE stands for National Stock Exchange and BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange. So now coming to the point, you must have heard about Nifty and Sensex. These are the two index in Indian stock market. So let's understand what is index. So basically index is something which tracks and measure the performance of India's economy and also shows us the emotion people are having with money in the country. So Nifty, what is Nifty? Nifty is basically average of top 50 companies which are listed into Indian stock market. Same goes for Sensex. Sensex is the average of 30 top companies in various sectors in India. To look after all this, we have SEBI. So what is SEBI? SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India. So SEBI is basically a regulator which looks after all the companies and investors so that there are no fraudulent activities running into the Indian stock markets. By the time this video gets over 7 lakh trades could have been processed in BSE. Hope by now you must have got a brief idea about what this channel is gonna be about. Hope to see you in my next video where I'm gonna tell you guys 3 simple steps to easily and instantly start investing into Indian stock market.